Is it a free water pump? Flow 200 tons. 延长40 meters. Is this inside a water plant? This is a reservoir. Is the pump installed in this reservoir? There are two pumps under here, a big one and a small one. The big one doesn't turn anymore. Both sticks are broken. Is this the big one delivered today? 200 tons 40 meters. Now they're asking someone to pull the stick out. Look at this big stick pulled out. This stick is the same stick I brought. Both are 200 tons and 40 meters. It's just that he has a golden bell jar welded on the outside. Then why solder this golden bell jar? I'll give you 3 seconds to think about that. The reason for welding this golden bell jar, just want to lower his suction port. So the suction port of the pump is in the middle. The part where the motor is connected to the pump welded such a golden bell. Just pull the water inlet down. He welded him directly on the shore pipe side. It's sealed and welded the golden bell jar down. In that case, the suction port can be lowered to this side. You can drop about half a meter. Better use of this reservoir. If the suction port is too high, that would be a bit of a waste. But now the problem comes. Because it's blocked here. At first, the shore pipe was connected to the water pump first, then weld directly from the shore pipe. See now, if you want to drop it, it's very troublesome. You can only cut it open with oxygen. If this short tube doesn't fall off, then there is no way to fix the stick. It's directly welded here. The screw is inside. We cut it open with oxygen welding. Now they've cut it open with oxygen welding. It has been sent back now. So let's start fixing the stick. Now, it's actually a new stick. The total number of uses is less than 3 times. Usually open. Is that little stick pumping water? If the stick is not enough, it will be opened. This big stick should be a good one, but he can't move now. It's too heavy. Inside. Insulation is good. Is there any problem with the motor? The top wire of the coupling is crooked. Really got it down. Sure enough, he can't turn the pump head. He rusted to death because it is used a few times. This pump isn't at regeneration. It's been a year. He only used it 3 times after a year. If not used for a long time, over time, the scale will dry up the coconut fiber. Can't even turn now. Now give it 2 drops and see if you can smash it on fire. There is still no way. I can only soak him in hydrochloric acid. This kind of scale is stuck. It's very troublesome. Also fix. If it is not used for a long time, it will still be like this. It still doesn't work after soaking for a while. I don't know if the acid was diluted or what. It doesn't feel too strong. That is to say, still can't move? Then you can only keep soaking it. Now feed him some soup. Feed him up. Soak for another half an hour. Let him soak like this. Now, cook for a while. That's it for today. How to predict the future? Please listen to the next decomposition.